Hi, my amazing friends. It's Jasper, my magical planner, and it's Simply Gilded Subscription Day. It's like one of my favorite days. So my box just came today, so I get to open it. But I'm doing something different this month. So I've seen the preview of this kit, and because of life events, it's not really fitting my mood right now, and I think I want to gift it to somebody. So I'm going to give you details on the giveaway at the end of this video, so stick around for that. But let's take a look at what you'd be getting first. So this month's subscription is called Here Comes the Sun. So if you're unfamiliar with Simply Gilded, it's a $30 monthly subscription of planner products. There usually is a journaling card, there's some washi and a deluxe sticker kit, and a pen usually. So it's a pretty good value. I've broken down the value in previous box openings, so you can see that. I'll link a video up above for you guys. So let's kind of get into this. The first thing we have here is our Here Comes the Sun journaling card, which is absolutely stunning. It just seems so bright and hopeful and everything, and it's in gold foil there. I love that she used gold little squigglies in the box as well. It kind of really adds to it. So the washi comes in a box like this. We'll open that last. And here, I'll just take that out to the side. Here is our pen. It's kind of this, it reminds me of like sherbet ice cream. That kind of peachy yellowy tone. And it has like a little sun here on the end, which is really fun. And you have a sun on the top. Usually this is a Simply Gilded bow. So when she does something different, it's something I try to note. These are, I want to say they're 5s, and they're gel ink pens. They come with, you know, the tip is kind of protected there. And you can buy refills to these pens in her shop. They're really nice. They have a nice weight to them, and so they write really nicely and evenly. However, you cannot use this on the sticker kit. So, let's see here. So here's our sticker kit. And these are on, I think it's a vinyl paper. And so you need a permanent adhesive pen to write on these, which the gel ink pen is not. So if you do end up writing on them though, you can use something like a wet wipe or something just mildly damp to wipe it off and you won't even see it. But what I tend to use is one of these micro perm pens. It's got to be the ones with the gray body and not the ones with the brown body. I don't quite know what the difference is. I just know that the one works and the other one doesn't. So there's that. And let's take a look here. I feel like this is a great Easter kit. Like for somebody who's bubbly and over the top and, well, it sounds bad. Just somebody who's like really happy. And not that I'm not happy, it's just I'm not feeling it right now. So here's our functional like full boxes. You have these two match with the floral and the birds that are really, really cute. We have Peace, Love, and Washi. Here Comes the Sun. We have Juniper, I think that's right, is the bear. I think that's right. So anyhow, we have Juniper and these cute little flowers. We have the sun. This is probably my favorite box of the kit, honestly. And then we have this really beautiful rainbow. Down here we have some very functional headers for you. Okay. So here are our date dots. This yellow is a really nice, like pure yellow, and then you have gold on top of it. And it's just all of your number dots, and then you have some icons down here. So instead of the bow seals, this is what we have this month. That we have little bears and then a really cute rainbow and the sun. You can use these as seals, but you can also bring them into your planner if you want to. I think with the new way she's doing her seals, it allows a little bit more of that type of thing, especially if you like some of the bigger stickers. Then we have this page, which is it's like her box page. So every kit usually has like that page with all of the functional boxes. You have some really pretty headers with words on them. So we have family, family, gratitude, work, work, and then you have the days of the week, so you can make it into a tracker. You have you have 4 3-bow checklists here. You have, I think it's 9 of the third size boxes, and then you have, these are all headers here, so you have 3 sets. And it looks like these are actually kind of the same, so you could probably use it, like, because I tend to break up my kits, so it depends on how you want to use it. And then these are your half boxes down here. They look really pretty. And then this is your flags page. So you have, of course, the 2 rows of flags and plus these little ones. If you're having trouble figuring out how to use these, I'm going to link a video up above for you where I just took a day and I tried a whole bunch of different ways of using the flags, so that should give you a jumping off point if you're struggling with that. You have little bows down here. We have some really cute deco, some headers, some more icons here, and then all of this is checklist for you. And then here are your days of the week. You get 4 sets of them, and that's really nice. So you're getting like a whole month's worth of days of the week. So depending on how you split up the kit, you can make it last over a whole month, especially with the addition of the washi. So you have all of those. Then over here we have headers with meeting, appointment, important, goals, shopping list, meal plan, to clean, and to do. We have a gratitude box, and then these other half boxes as well. So it's really, really pretty. It almost seems like, I was thinking spring, like Easter, but it also kind of has that, you know, June, beginning of summer feel to it as well. Okay, and here is our washi, which I'm not going to swatch out this month since I'm gifting it to somebody. We're just going to look at what it is, and then I'll put it back in here. Is that everything? No, there's one more in there. So this one is those juniper with the face in the middle. So they're kind of cut out around the washi. So they're going to look, hold on, where are those seals? So they're going to look very similar to this right here. It is, you have to be careful when you're using these type of stickers because they are more prone to like tearing and that kind of thing. And you have to be a little bit more careful when you're cutting them, but it is a really cool new addition that she's brought to the shop. So you have those, and then this is your sun washi. So it's just a bunch of that. Essentially, she took this design and put it on the washi tape, and I think you could use it for a lot of different layouts and stuff, especially if you like this peachy color, because it's very geometric, and so I think it'll work out really well for summer. And this is the one it makes me think of St. Patrick's Day, honestly, because it's got rainbows on it, and for some reason I associate rainbows with St. Patrick's Day, even though they're not green. I don't know. Anyhow, so they're really cute little rainbows. It's the same rainbow as we have here. I'm not positive. When you swatch it out, you might have a little bit better of the coloring, because sometimes you need that white under to really see how it looks. She does have some swatches up on her Instagram page. So if you go to, I think it's Simply Gilded Box, I'll try and link them down below. You can actually see her swatch these out. It's in like one of her videos or something there. These are 2 rolls. So you have, the top one is a yellow with those little not stars, little suns. So let's see if we can get it to focus for you guys. And then the bottom one has that peachy color and a band of gold there. It's like gold hollow maybe, because I can see it like reflects differently. So there's that one. Then we have the bird washi, which looks really cute. And the final one is one of the glitter washis. Now these are a little different as well. So they're a little bit thicker. They are a little bit harder to cut. I would say you probably need a knife instead of like a washi card that some people just use. And they have this shimmer to them. It's almost like When things have like a sugary coating on them and you have that like pebbly texture, it has that. So, and it's got little flowers on here and little hearts, which are really cute. So that's everything from the box. So while I put these back away, let's talk about the giveaway. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it open for, let's do 2 weeks. So what's today? Today is the 11th. So 2 weeks from today, hold on. I should have thought this part out. So 2 weeks from today will be the 25th of March, which actually happens to be my mom's birthday. So that seems kind of fitting. I will come on and I will look at everybody who's entered and put them all in, well, depending on how many, I can put them in a hat, or I'll use an online picker to pick a person. And I will contact you via Instagram. So make sure that you tell me how to contact you, like what your Instagram title is. If you don't have Instagram, we'll figure something out. So maybe leave me a comment with what your Instagram account is so I can go and follow you guys. And that will make it easier for when I draw my winner. And tell me what your favorite thing is in the subscription box this month. And yeah, I think that should do it, don't you? Now, I will say when you use the kit, I'm going to tell you how I would probably break this down. All right, so I'm going to walk you through, if I was going to break down this kit for a couple weeks, what boxes I would kind of section it out into. So I would probably do this green one here, Born to be Wild, with the birds, because it has a lot of green, and that same green is repeated here. You could also pull in this box, but it has a different feel to me than the other ones. I would then probably group these two together, possibly with the rainbow, and have that be a week. And then I would probably do these three together because I feel like they go. Although the Here Comes the Sun and the Sun do go together pretty well too. You could also break this one down and put it with the rainbow and the sun. That might work really well too. So just a couple of ideas for you guys, and then you just kind of play off of those colors when you're picking the rest of the kit. I do kind of wish that she had more of this purple in the kit, although if she did that, I might have wanted to keep it. So I really hope that someone gets this who really likes it, and what I'll probably do is I'll just leave it in this box, and I'll probably ship it using the same box and get it to you as quickly as I can after the drawing. Oops. Sorry guys, I just knocked you. But there's everything kind of back in there. I'm going to set this on the bottom because that is the safest spot for it. There's the pen. Here's the washi. Oh, the back's really cool. And then there's the journal. Well, we'll put the foozle thingies in here, and then we'll put the journaling card on top. And then I'm just going to set this aside until it's time to draw my winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more planning videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.